There was a kitchen once, small, warm, filled with a light that only existed in the early morning, when the rest of the world was still asleep and Grandma was already there. I can still hear her slippers on the linoleum floor, that soft shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. She wore a floral apron, always. I don't think I ever saw her in that kitchen without it. She moved slowly, but she never wasted a single motion. My mother used to sit at the kitchen table when she was young, just watching. Grandma never explained what she was doing. She didn't need to. She just cooked, and Mom watched, and somehow, without a single lesson, she learned everything. That's how it worked back then. She never measured anything. A handful of flour, a pinch of this, a little of that. When Mom asked how much, Grandma would smile and say, "You'll know when it's right." And she was always right. Some mornings they didn't talk at all. Grandma would set 2 mugs of tea on the table, sit down across from Mom, and they'd just be there together. The birds outside, the ticking clock, the smell of something baking. No phones, no noise, just the 2 of them in the quiet. Mom told me once, years later when I was grown, that Grandma's kitchen wasn't really about the food. It was about learning how to be still, how to be present, how to love someone without needing to say it out loud. The kitchen was her way of saying, "I'm here, you matter, stay a little longer." I never got to sit in that kitchen myself. Not really. She was gone before I was old enough to understand what I was sitting in the middle of. But Mom brought it home with her. That warmth, that patience, that way of moving through a kitchen like every single moment was worth slowing down for. Grandma taught her without words, and Mom taught me the same way. Some kitchens never really disappear. They live in the way you hold a spoon, in the patience you didn't know you had, in the quiet mornings when you make tea and sit down and feel for just a moment that you are not alone. If you had a kitchen like that, someone who filled it with warmth, you were loved in the deepest way, and that love, it never left.